Hello friends, my name is Avni. Welcome to AvulKids. Today let me explain you some basics about our earth. The earth is round like a ball and it is made up of land and water. Land. We live on land. Many plants and animals also live on land. Flat land are called plains. Raised and high lands are called mountains and hills. Between the hills and mountains, we have V-shaped valleys. Now the water. Some plants and animals live in water. Water on the earth is found in lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. Water is also present as snow. Have you ever wondered how we get day and night on the earth? Take a torch and a ball, light the torch and place it in front of the ball. You will see one side of the ball is lighter and the other side of the ball does not have a light. And now turn around the ball, keeping the torch on its place. You will find the pin on the opposite side. The torch is like the sun and the ball is like the earth. The earth spins like a top. The side of the earth facing the sun has day, while the side away from the sun has night. And this is how day and night are caused. Now let us see what is rotation and revolution of earth. The spinning of the earth around itself is called rotation. It takes the earth about 24 hours to make one complete rotation. At the same time, the earth moves around the sun and this is called Earth's revolution. However, the earth doesn't spin in straight up and down manner, but it spins slightly tilted. Because of this, different parts of the earth receives more solar energy than the other parts, and this causes various seasons to occur. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to AvulKids.